During the COVID-19 pandemic, it is in fact pregnant COVID-positive women that are suffering and that are really struggling the most. Now, the reason we say this is because in a big city like Bengaluru, pregnant positive women are still struggling to find a bed for their deliveries. Now, the reason for this being that several small and private nursing homes and smaller private hospitals are unable to admit the patients due to lack of infrastructure. The government beds are almost completely occupied with no dedicated facility for private COVID positive women, with no specific maternity wards or no specific arrangements for them. That leaves working class women and others with only the option of big private hospitals, many of who can't really shell out a price like this. Now, in a case like this that's coming to light from Bengaluru, there is a COVID positive woman who was admitted in the Asha nursing home in Vivek Nagar, where we are. Now, she was in fact first called in for her screening. She's been of course, associated with the hospital. She's had another delivery here in the past. So trusting that this hospital would take her in, she's come here, she's met the doctor, she's got her screening done, and she's also agreed to get her delivery done over here. Now, what happens after this is that this doctor has actually not even asked her for a COVID negative report before taking her in for the screening. They've asked her to come back for the delivery once she develops her labor pain. But in the midst of all of this, she's now, in fact, got her test done. After having come back to this hospital that we're showing you, her reports had not yet come. She was awaiting her reports, and in the meantime, this very hospital has asked her to vacate. So we understand that she's come here, she's not yet got her reports. Once she's here, she gets a call from the BBMP that she's possibly a suspect patient, at which time the hospital immediately asks her to vacate without any alternate arrangement. The woman was in fact left for hours struggling to, find a bed either in a government or a private hospital. And finally, just hours before she had to deliver, she's managed to get admitted to a private hospital, wherein her family had to shell out quite a bit of money for them, considering that, they are from the lower sections of the economy, from the weaker sections. But the question still remains. The hospital over here, meanwhile, of course, goes on to, clarify and state that they never agreed to treat her till her negative report came. But the fact still remains that there are documents that show that she had come here for her screening, at which time she wasn't informed of any of this. Now, two questions that we are raising over here is, how is it that private hospitals are allowed to function and are allowed to, screen women without a COVID negative report? Secondly, the fact that they are unequipped, that they do not have enough infrastructure, ventilators, PPE kits, staff to treat pregnant positive women. At a time like this, will the government of Karnataka step in and make more arrangements for pregnant positive women? This was the case of one woman. We're hoping that no other woman has to have an ordeal like this, where she's left on the streets searching for an ambulance, searching for a bed.